question is, in the class there are 41 students. 3 students can sit on each bench. How many benches will be needed for them? This one is very important question for you. First, here clue is 41 students and 3 students. Again, each bench. Each bench means one bench. On one bench, 3 students can sit. Here, clue words are: first, 41 students. And another clue words is 3 students. 3 students can sit on one bench. Then we have to find how many bench we'll need for 41 students. We have to divide 41 with 3. We have to first write this line. Here we have to find bench. That's why I will write number of bench in right and left 3 students. 3 students can sit on one bench. Then we have to find 41 students can sit on 41 divided by 3 equal 41 3. 3 ones are 3, 1 1, 3 threes are 9, 2 left. Here 2 left means 2 persons have not sit yet. That's why we can tell this: after sitting on 13 bench and 2 persons left to sit on the bench, that's why we need another bench. So we can write 13 plus 1 equal to 14. For these 2 persons we need extra 1 bench. That's why we need 14 benches. Then answer will be 14 benches. For 41 students we need 14 benches. Another important question is, 1 year is 365 days. How many weeks and days does 1 year have? So Here is the clue word. 1 year. How many days? 365 days. We have to find how many weeks and days. Then we know that what is the relation between weeks and days? We know that one week is equal 7 days. Then we have how many days? 365 days. 365 days equal to how many weeks? We have to find that. That's why I am arranging this one. We know that 1 week equals 7 days. We can write 7 days equal 1 week. Therefore 365 days equal 365 divided by 7 equal we can do rough here. 365. We know 3 5s are 35. 6 minus 5 1. 5 bringing down 5. 7 2s are 14. Left 1. This one is day. And this one is week. 52 weeks and 1 day. No more today. Thank you very much.